Question 6. So Brian had $12.80 to spend at the flea market. He bought a portable CD player for $5.50 and wants to buy some CDs that are 75 cents each, or 75 cents per CD. Brian can determine N, the number of CDs that he can buy, using which of the following inequalities? So sometimes it's easier to set up these inequalities by first thinking of an equation and then swapping out the equal sign for an inequality. So let's set this up. So we know that he has purchased a CD player for $5.50. So he's already spent that money. Now he can get some number of CDs, so there's still some money left over, right? Because if you look here, it says that he purchased this CD player for $5.50. This is his total amount of money, $12.80. And then he has 75 cents, or he can buy a CD for 75 cents, and N is the number of those CDs he can purchase. So this right here, this has already been spent. So that's his total. If he wants to purchase a CD, then it's 75 cents for every one of those CDs. So if he buys 2 of them, that's 75 cents and 75 cents, which is $1.50. If he buys 3 of them, that's going to be 3 times 0.75, which is $2.25. So really for every CD he gets at 75 cents, you have to multiply it by N, which is the number of CDs. And then this would be equal to the total amount of money that he has. And this is assuming that he spends all his money. So like I said in the beginning of the problem, it's easier to start the problem out for inequalities by writing an equation and then at the end switching or swapping out the equal sign for an inequality. So they're saying, how many can he get? Well, if this is how much money he has right here, then Brian cannot exceed, he cannot go above this number. So that means that he'll have to get something, or some number of CDs, where if he multiplies the number of CDs he gets by 75 cents and then adds his $5.50, whatever that is, it has to be less than or equal to the total amount of money in his pocket when he goes there. So you can see this inequality right here is the same as answer choice K. So that is our answer for this problem.